Hi guys, today I just show my new projects. So this one I will make a machine wood chipper. So this is the wheels I want here. So I don't have any huge drills. Otherwise I just require to the shop and make three holes for me. But the problem is this hole bigger than this spindle. So this spindle actually it's only 40 millimeters, but they make hole for me it is 43 millimeters, so that means this is a problem. So right now I have a three plate. This is the wheels, and this is the wheel, and this is the spindles I make it. So this one the stock here. So this is the stock of the box here. I will use as here's for the center right here. So I will use the bearing both sides. So I have two plate of this, two plate of this, two plate. So this plate is only 43 millimeters. So it's round, and these wheels, it's only 40 millimeters diameters, 40 millimeters. So that means this tint is 16 millimeters. So I got three pieces plus this, but I need to cut this one too. Right now I don't need to cut yet because I have to waiting the knife is coming soon. So three pieces I have to waiting many days already. So I really apologize because I never show my video in time because everything what I want to make it nothing in my place. So otherwise I have to order from other places because I'm not living in the city. I living at the countryside, not easy. So otherwise when I do some machine I have to waiting it's so long. And this is the bearing. Also I will use this bearing. So this bearing, this hole 35 millimeters. So I will here, and then I will cut this side, and this side use for the caps. That means is cover the wheels. So this is only for my show, but I hope you enjoys my full videos soon. So right now I have to waiting some more tools or some equipment wearing wood chipper. Thank you very much for timing and watching right here. I hope you enjoy next time.